Good evening, everyone. Forgive me for my voice. If I were to make an ordinance for any heritage conservation sites, I would extend the law in not only protecting buildings that are 50 years or older. I would protect the buildings that have certain history that is important to architects everywhere, that have served as inspiration for us students, and in hopes of inspiring us to think out of the box and develop projects for these buildings and think of better ways to preserve these buildings, not just as how they were made, but of something else that can benefit everyone in our country. Thank you.